This was a hybrid precast parking structure that highlighted the structural versatility of precast concrete and its use in conjunction with other materials where differing looks throughout the structure is desired. The structure had a precast parking garage on the bottom with residential tower above and concurrent construction for both parts of the building. It was also used for firewalls between abutting structures.
Precast was an excellent solution to reduce the site congestion and was able to accommodate other building materials from the tower.
Using precast concrete accelerated the schedule and allowed for adequate time for the other structures to be constructed.
The building was initially designed to reach silver certification, and through the design using precast, it achieved the gold certification rating.
This certification sets the project apart from others as it has met higher standards for future sustainability, and precast contributed to that. This structure proves that precast can be used in conjunction with other materials to still provide the strength and fire resistance needed.